Welcome to another episode of Taste Test Thursday. Alright, I forgot to take my snapshot, so the snapshot's going to have an empty bottle of it. But anyway, as you see in my last 4 videos, I tested something to eat. This time it's time to test something to drink. Okay, my roommate got this actually. She got a few of these for herself. She wasn't too crazy for this, so she let me have the last bottle. It's called Boylan Shirley Temple Cane Sugar Limited Release. So Shirley Temple's the drink's called. But anyway, this is my very first Shirley Temple, so let's see its goddamn taste. Not bad. Can't really think of what to compare it with. Maybe a non-alcoholic version of Reds. I kind of taste a bit of cranberry in there. I could be wrong though. Anyway, I'd probably give a 3-star rating, to be honest. 3 bottles out of 5 rating. Because I don't know what to compare it to be honest. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Taste Test Thursday. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.